Welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. Today we will be going over tables. To start off, you're going to need 2 parts in your workspace, a script, and that's all you're going to need. So open up your script and we're going to start off by typing in our first table. We're going to call it local my fruits is equal to, and we're going to put a brace. Press enter. What this is going to do is it's creating a table to store some variables in. So we're going to first create a variable called orange, comma. Make sure you put a comma there or the table will not work. And then apples. And then grape. Those are the fruits in our table. And then we're just going to print out my fruits. And it's going to print out the entire table in our output. When we click it to open, there you go. Next, what if you want to print out a certain variable in our table? Well, we're just going to have to do print, and then you're going to do my fruits, and then you're going to put brackets, and then you're going to say 1, and that will get the first value. So that is the first index. This is the second one, third value, first value. So it's going to print out orange because that is the first value. There you go. So that is how you can add, or that is how you can print out the values. But what if you want to change a certain value? Let's say we want to change to lemon. All you have to do is do my fruits, and then grape is the third one, and then you do my fruits, and then type in the third one, and then type in lemon. And then we can add a wait here to show us that there is a table, and it's going to wait a little bit and then print out the next table. We're just going to copy this. When we click run, the first table will print and it'll have grape as the third one and then lemon as the third one. Now there are 2 main functions that you can use when you're using a table. You can use table.insert and table.remove. Table.insert inserts a value, and table.remove removes a value. If you want to insert a value, you just have to do table.insert, and then you need to put in the value or the table that you want to. So we're just going to put in my fruits, and then we're going to do comma. You can put in the number, the position you want it to be, so you could do 2 and it would push apple to 3 and grape to 4, but we're just going to leave that blank, and then it will end up just putting a value at the end if you don't put a number position. Or we're going to add lemon to it. Now when we run it, it's going to insert that to our table, so we'll print out our table. And we'll just print that out right here too to show that it changes. When we run it, we'll print out orange, apple, grape, and then it will print out orange, apple, grape, lemon. And then table.remove does the exact same thing. So let's say we want to remove grapes. Table.remove, and then we're just going to put in my fruits, comma, grape. Oh, well, you're going to put in the number position. So we want to remove the third one, which is grape. And when we run it, it's going to... Oh, we got to print it out real quick. And so what it's going to do is it's going to print out our original table, then it's going to add lemon to it, and then it's going to remove grape. So orange, and then it's going to apple, grape, orange, apple, grape, lemon, and then it's going to be orange, apple, lemon. You can also use values of parts. So let's say we want to create a table with all of our parts in it. So we'll name our table my parts, and then we're just going to create some variables. So we can say local part 1 is equal to game.workspace.part1, and then we're going to copy that and do local part 2 is equal to game.workspace.part2, and then we're going to put in my parts, part 1, and part 2. Now we're going to change the color of part 1. We're going to say my parts, and then we're just going to do 1 is equal to, we're going to do dot brick color. Just like we did with our changing properties, it's going to say, okay, my parts dot 1, and it's going to look in here, and the first value of my parts is part 1. And then it's going to go to this variable, and it's going to see, okay, part 1 is game.workspace.part1. And then it's gonna say, okay, this one, and then we need to just change the brick color, then it's gonna change the brick color. And then we're just gonna set it to a random brick color, .random. And once we run it, that's what it's gonna do. And it changed our brick to a random brick color. And that's basically tables. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.